Hey, it's Sally with Simple Software Tutorials, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do some customization work and how to send and how to install a NEWOLDSTAMP email signature into your iPhone using your Apple Mail. So I'm at NEWOLDSTAMP.com. I'm looking at my dashboard. I've got some stuff going on here. So first I want to take you in just to show you a couple features, and then we'll send it, and then we'll install it on the mobile phone. You'll get to see everything. So I'm just going to click on Edit here. So NEWOLDSTAMP makes it really simple to create really nice looking email signatures. They've got a lot of different packages, so if you want your entire company on the same email signature, they can, or you can have different departments. All sorts of options there. What I really like is that you get to see everything as you build it, so you can make sure that everything looks good, that you're not missing anything. Makes it just really simple. So what I would recommend doing is starting out with templates. So you can click on Show More. And this is all of their templates that they have here. So depending on how much content that you want to include in your email signatures, they've got a lot of really handy options to give you an idea of what it's going to look like. You've got the popular, vertical, horizontal, whatever suits your need. Just click on one, it selects it, and then you customize it. So I've already selected a nice template here. And we've got some options down the left-hand side. So again, I'd start with templates, I'd go down, I'd customize left-hand side, and then take a look at some more features that we have. So you can customize your font size, bold, italicize, colors, all of that good stuff. They have a ton of fields here already populated, so that makes it easy. You just enter in your information, and it instantly updates up here so you can see what it's going to look like. And then they take it a step further. This is a feature that I really like. I think it's important to include. They give you the ability to preview it in the different email clients. So you can just click on any of these icons, and you can see what it's going to look like in the in Gmail, in Outlook, and Apple, and just make sure that everything is laying out how you intend it to and that it looks good. So I'm going to close this. So then we can scroll down, again, some more text customizing information, and you can see these little question marks here. Click on them. They have additional information. So if you don't know what something is, they explain it to you right there. Very, very helpful. You can also add a photo or logo. So there's shape options here if you want. A great feature that I like, makes it super simple. So if you have like a standard social media profile image, typically those by default are 800 by 800. Obviously that's way too huge for here. So you can control the size of your image, so you can make it larger or smaller depending on what suits your needs. And it's nice too, because if you end up getting a lot of text here, you can increase it to fit in that area, and you can add a link to that. So if I want to include a link to my homepage right here, so if somebody clicks on this, it'll take them to my homepage, I can add that link right here. So it's very intuitive, easy to understand. Now you can also see that I have some social icons here. I don't have like a massive social presence, but I am on YouTube and WordPress. So they've got those icons here. But now if I have additional social sites, if you're a very social company, I got to show you this. So if you click on Show More, I counted they have over 200 different icons here. So if you have a presence on any of these sites, they've probably have it here. So you can search for icons here. So if I want to look for Pinterest, boom, it does that. And if you want to add one, again, very simple. Just click on an icon. It shows up right down here. You add your link and you're good to go. You'll see it update there automatically. There's another feature that I didn't realize that I like so much, is just a sizing control over here. So you can make the icon smaller, medium, larger, whatever suits your needs. You can also control the shape. So if if I want to be round to match the round here, I can. If I want to have it square to match my banner, I can. Or I'm just going to go crazy and I'm going to do rounded edges. So lots of control, get to see everything in real time. Very, very simple to use, great user experience. There's on the right hand side now, so below our templates, they have signature apps. Now where this is different from the other apps there, the other social tool, And I'm going to click on this. Whenever you click on any of these on this side, it's going to open up these features on this right side. So what's really nice about these is these are larger icons. So these are going to stand out more. So like for me, I have a much larger YouTube presence than anywhere else. So I would want to use a YouTube icon because that's where I am. But they have these other icons here that are going to be just a little bit larger. There's also business icons here, so if you need to include a disclaimer, you can. Or if you have an app, you can link to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Or maybe you have a store on Amazon or eBay. You can link to that very easily with these nice recognizable icons. There's also promotional. So these are great for getting your customers, your contacts more engaged with you. So maybe you want to include a link to subscribe to your newsletters, or if this is about a specific product or something, or you want them to shop now. There's all of these different options. So all you have to do is select one, add your URL, and click on add, and it pops it right in there. And once you're done, you'll see it show up right here. Now you can see my banner here. Banners, they have a whole slew of preset banners here. They have promotional, they have holiday ones, all sorts of stuff here. So if you don't already have a banner, they have lots of different options to choose from. Again, very simple. You just select one, you add your URL, and boom, you're done. Very, very simple. I use a site called canva.com. That's canva.com. It's a free site, lets you design some pretty cool graphics. There's paid subscriptions too, but you can do a lot on there for free. So what I did on there is I built just a basic leaderboard banner. I drag and dropped it right in here, and I can adjust the size just like I can adjust my photo or my logo. So I can make sure that it's going to fit appropriately. If I've got a huge banner, I can shrink it down. Just want to make sure that the text shows up pretty good, and you're good to go. So once you're all done creating your email signature, it's time to send it. So that's pretty simple. So I'm just going to cancel out of here. And it's nice, they make sure you don't leave without saving your stuff, so great feature right there. So sending it is simple. So I've got it right here, and all I need to do is just click on Send to Users. So you'll have your, if you've already added users, they're going to be here. I'm going to paste my email address in there and click on Send. So it says, installation sent, so good to go. Click on that, and then I can go into my email inbox. There it is right there. So I see, it's from NEWOLDSTAMP team, and it's very clear that an email signature has been created for me. So I'm going to click on this, and here we go. So they include information in here, makes it really easy to understand how to install this. So all I need to do is click on Get My Email Signature. So from here I can select my email client. So I'm going to select Apple. Make sure everything looks good. I'm going to click on Continue. And here's the steps, 2 steps, very simple. So how to install. So basically what it does is it sends you a blank email with nothing but your email signature in it, and then you can copy it and install it on your iPhone. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to send it. I get a confirmation message that it's been sent successfully, and then it has the rest of the instructions. One step I really want to point out is to ensure that you follow the step to shake your phone, select undo, and then save your changes. This ensures that the signature shows up as intended. If you skip this step, if you don't do that little shake, it may not format as intended. So very important step. So I'm going to jump over onto my mobile phone, and we will continue from there. Just a few steps and we'll have it installed. Alright, so here I am on my iPhone. So first thing I want to do is open up my mail, and I'm going to find that email. So it says signature for your iPhone. So it's very clear what it's for. So again, it's just your email signature here. So what you want to do is press and hold in your signature area right here. We're going to copy and paste this. So we want to select all, make sure everything is selected. If it is, then tap on copy. So now what we want to do is go into our phone settings. So tap on settings, and then you want to scroll down until you find your mail tab. So tap on mail, and then scroll down until you find signature. That's towards the bottom here. So I have it set up so I show different signatures per account. If you want to send the same signature from all accounts, you can have it checked here, but I like having the separate email accounts. So what we should do is go down here, find the email account that you want to add it for, and tap in that box. And then what you need to do is just hold your finger down in there and then paste. So it looks pretty cool. So what we need to do now is do that little shake action. That's what you need to do, very important. Tap on undo, and that's where you solidify your formatting. So you can see it's got the highlighting on there, and it's right in place. It's exactly how it should look. So we are all done here. It just automatically saves, so we can get out of here. Now let's test it out, make sure it looks good. I'm going to go into my inbox. I'm going to start a new email, and there it is. Looks exactly how it's supposed to. So that's how you install a NEWOLDSTAMP email signature into your Apple Mail on your iPhone. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. I hope you learned some cool stuff. I sure did. Don't forget to check out my website, simplesoftwaretutorials.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great day.